Hey guys, this is Cindy with oOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Gascans. Now there are two different variations to the Gascan. There is the standard Gascan, easily identifiable by this wing right here. And then there's the Gascan Small. So you can see it has no wing. It's more of a sharper edge at the bottom. And of course, the lenses and the frame are smaller. So these lenses are not interchangeable. But the technique works for either set of frame. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on. Once you've done that, locate the top portion and bottom portion of your frames, and you're going to want to pull out as you push the lens forward. So let's give it a shot. You should hear a pop. Perfect. You hear that pop, don't be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. Same thing to this side. Locate top and bottom portions of the frame. Pull out as you push the lens forward. Should hear that pop. Perfect. Now to install your new oOptic lenses, go ahead and turn the frame around. And you're going to want to locate these grooves inside the frame. To insert your lenses, line up your lens. I like to start with the outer edge first. Line up your lens to the grooves of the frame. And push the lens forward, and you should hear that pop. Once you've done that, run your thumbs along the edge of the lens just to make sure that it's locked in there correctly. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Locate the grooves of the frame. Line up your lens and push forward. Now perfect. Once you've installed your new oOptic lenses, we would love to see how you've customized the look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag oOptics. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@oOptics.com.